Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use voice transcription on Samsung Galaxy A57. So first of all, we're gonna have to open the voice recorder on our smartphone. So let's find it in Samsung Tools. Here we have it. Now what we have to do is create a sample recording of at least 15 seconds length and keep speaking during this recording to our microphone, or we can also record a speech of someone else. And then once you are ready to stop, you can simply tap the stop button and save your recording. And then to transcribe it, you have to select it, or rather hold your finger down on it and tap transcribe. Wait until the transcription is finished. Download the language packs required for this transcription. And once this transcription is finished, you'll be able to see the result right here. And as you can see, it's pretty accurate, especially considering my accent. But yeah, that's how you do it. Now you can copy and paste this text anywhere you need, to your notes application for example, and when you're done you can simply delete your voice recording. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.